caught.
Yeah, we can't get caught because if we do, we're gonna get a ticket, and we try to get a ticket. So yeah, just stay tuned for what's coming next because this better be good because we're taking pics. And it was a long car ride.
Yeah, we road tripping and shit.
For real though. Okay.
What's up, fuckers? Okay, so we're here and this
my
thing
shoes on.
is fucking huge. Like, if you could see, like, we're in Farmville. Oh my god. Oh, this is so sick. We gotta leave. Can you go inside of it? Yeah. Wow. This is sick. For real though. Oh my gosh. Well, that's what we were standing on. She got mud all over herself.
I know, it's hard.
Oh. Okay, so I climbed up here because there's a hole. I got that on me. What the fuck is that? Payton! There's this blue gel. Okay, so me and Payton, we made it to the top of the plane. But yeah, we're on top. My shoes. She did too. It's like covered in oil because they don't want people on it, I guess. So me and Payton, we just took a bunch of Insta pics. I'm honestly annoyed because there's so many mosquitoes, but like, what can you say? Like, it's literally like you can't help it, but we're probably gonna get down. And okay, so there was this like window and it's like opened a little bit, but like Peyton's like small, so like she's gonna crawl through it, but it's like surrounded by oil. And
The blanket, the towel.
yeah, we put a towel there because literally there's like oil everywhere so people don't climb up on it. But if you could tell, there's like so many bugs and it's so annoying. But I'm literally she's going in. Do you need a push?
I don't know. My hair is all greasy. I'm gonna shoot myself. Oh, my butt, Amber, my butt is getting bit. Ow, ow.
Come on, full send it, bro. At this moment, Payton knew she messed up. It has like
Oh
seeds and
my god.
Yeah. I don't know if you want. We brought a towel because it's
Oh my god, guys, I'm in.
my.
Oh my god, there's a window right there!
Yeah, but it's so small.
It's smaller. It's a lot smaller.
It's like so small to
Yeah,
get
but I could get
You're
out of there.
skinnier than me.
Oh yeah.
Look at me.
Isn't that an emergency exit? You can literally open that.
I tried.
Okay.
Any like suit, like anything you can pick up.
Maybe. Guys, we're in the airplane. Well, I'm in here because I was the only one who could fit in here. Got a bunch of people out here. Look at all these seats. Look at this first class. Look at this first class shit. There's penises all over the place. There's like stairs for you to like get down. Ooh, door down. Let's try this, shall we? Rude. Should we use the potty? Hi, Amber.
Hello.
This is what the charters look like. It's pretty cool. And then we got the overhead compartments and stuff. And then got a nice design back here. We've got another turlet. Hello. And then finally, we've got the pit of cocks. That's right, we got the cockpit. All these levers and
Okay, so I'm finally at home now, and I honestly thought that was so much fun. And I think I want to go to more places like that. So, like, I'm wearing a huge t-shirt. That's why I look like this. But, look at the battle wounds I have. My mosquito bites, right? And then I see this. What in God's green earth? I don't even know what I hit it on. And it's literally purple. Like, it hurts so bad. And I literally don't even know what I hit it on. All the mosquito bites and the battle wounds were worth it because literally that was so cool that she got to go inside. And it was really fun to go and I want to do more. And honestly, like, that was a cool experience. So if you want to see more, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, so that's it for this video. But thank you for watching.